Hi guys, hope you guys are doing good, and in this video we're going to see the installation of tempered glass for Hunter 350, and I'll share the purchase link in the description. See, in this package I got one speedometer tempered glass and one for the trip navigation along with two tissues. The first tissue is a wet tissue. Before applying wet tissue, just clean your speedometer glass with proper microfiber towel. Then apply this wet tissue and clean it properly. And then after finishing that, use this dry tissue, which is number 2, and then properly clean the entire glass. So after doing that, just remove the top layer and just fix and see whether it is applying properly. Okay, then now remove the top cover. Do it slowly. Okay, do it slowly and apply on the top of the glass and gently push it. Don't push it too hard. Gently push it and slowly wipe it out to remove the air bubbles. Okay, just push it to one corner. Okay, start from center and push to the corners so that air bubbles will vanish. Now you can see the result. And this video I am posting after the usage of more than a month time, and it's very useful actually. However, I found little air bubbles on the edges. Okay, so then and there I used to clear this air bubbles using tissue. After that the problem gets solved, and it gives a real protection to the glass.